My fellow business owners, let me be honest. If you guys aren't automating your businesses with these AI calling agents, then what are you doing? Let me tell you this. Never before it has been possible in the history of human that you can sit back and relax while AI agents can do your work autonomously. Literally, these AI agents can book appointment for you and even make a reservation for you in the restaurant. AI is now in 2025 is capable of doing all of this. My brothers understand this. We're not just putting robocalls on the phones. Now we are using AI to literally use human-like voices and human-like conversations with personalities and emotion to recreate a full human. All of this to enhance businesses by not just saving money and time, but genuinely making the business owners feel like they can scale their businesses and make them more money. I have seen business owner want this, but guys, you don't know how to build this. Well, I'm here for you, and in this video, I will tell you how to create these models, how to create these AI chatbots, and sell these. Automagic's AI is excited to represent the future, how to build an AI voice appointment setting system for every business out there. It took some time, but boys, we have prepared it and we have made it so easy to follow. And lastly, we have the best part, which I like to call the AI enhancement, which basically is a step-by-step tutorial on how we are going to show you how we literally doing this and how we are going to build this system. So without further boys, let's go and build these systems. So here's a knowledge base of our AI system, and here's a custom memory of our AI system. Here's the prompt, and here's the book appointment and summary prompts. Now go to the Vapi and create a new assistant. It's very simple. Just name it and choose a blank template and create the system from here. And now the interface is very beautiful. Here's a transcript section from where we can choose the different languages of our AI model. And for example, we can choose French and English from here. It's depend upon your need. Now we go to the voices and choose the voices. For this, we are setting a default and go to the functions. We will discuss about this later in this video. Now go to the advanced section. Here's the advanced section. We will also discuss this later in this video. And here's the analysis tab in which you can get the summary of your AI call report. That's all. Now go to the custom salon memory and copy a prompt and paste that in the model section prompt here. And you just have to change the salon name to your custom salon name. Like we have in this scenario, we have Tony and Guy Salon. So you just have to change salon name to your own salon name or the customer salon name you have provided by them. Just change that, and now we go down there. Just check everything is okay, and here change that again. Agent, here's the book appointment section. Here's the check availability, and now we will go here and copy this and paste that in the first message. And we will choose a model OpenAI from here and choose a GPT-4 or mini cluster here. And now we will have to add the custom salon knowledge base. Just go there and add that custom salon knowledge base. I will provide the link in the description. Go there and download that. Now add the custom salon knowledge base here. Click add, and we are done. And set the temperature to 0.2 and enable the detect emotions. Now we will go to the transcribe function. Choose a deep gram. Oh, you first have to publish that to save your everything. We will choose a GPT-4o instead of cluster. Go to the transcript section and choose a deep gram and choose the Nova 2 phone call because somebody told me it's the best model out there in the market. Now we'll go to the voice section and choose the default voice, and now we will go to the function tabs and add our number, forwarding number. If suppose that there is something that our customer ask about and we don't have, our AI model don't have knowledge about that, and it will forward the call. Now we'll go to the advanced section and enable the smart endpoint here. Just go down and enable the smart endpoint. Yeah, down there. And we will choose the maximum duration to 300, or otherwise it will blow our money away. And scroll down and make the server message to the just end of call report and end call message to the goodbye. And we think we are all done here. And just choose are you still there? And we are all done for here. Now publish that and go to the analysis tab. Choose a prompt that will provide in the knowledge base. In the custom memory. Copy that prompt and paste that in the Vapi.ai and paste that in here. And go back and copy the structured data prompt and paste that in the Vapi.ai again. And now we will go to the prompt summary and change the salon name to the custom salon name that your customer have provided to you. Just add that. In our case, it is Tonian Guy Salon. And just check me. It's all okay, and just hit the publish button. Now go back to the function tab. Now we have to add the tools for which we used in the alt to book an appointment. Now add the tool. Choose the make.com and go to the make.com scenario. I will provide that in the description. Go there and add. Copy the webhook and just paste that in here and save that webhook in here and click the next button. Now we will have to add the property name and property description. Go back to the custom memory. Just copy the property name and property description and add that in here so that the customer can book an appointment or check the availability. Add the property name. Now add the property description. I think it's okay. Now add the property. Okay. Now we'll add the property name, separately and property description. And hit the next button. Now add the tool name and description here. It will be provided in the custom library. Go there and copy and paste the tool description here. And we are all done for here. Oh, sorry, we have just added. It's not that important. It's depend upon your needs. It's your own choice what you have to add here. Just go ahead and do whatever you want and create it. And you will see that our check availability tool is created here. Now we will add another tool, book appointment. Go to the book appointment. Check availability section and copy the webhook and process is same. Now we will go to the function section and add the tools here. And just add the tools here. Book appointment and the check availability that we just created in the tool sections and click the publish button to save the data. And now we will go to the book appointment section. And here's the two Google Sheets that will update whenever customer give their name and phone number and their email. It will automatically update that in this sheet. Okay. Now this is the main calling function here. You can see that, and this is end of call report function, and this is book appointment function. And if you want these scenarios, I will provide the link in the description. You can go ahead and download that from the description. Just go ahead and import the scenarios here in your make.com account and save that, and you're all done. And go here to the ChatGPT and create an account and add your API key and organization name here in order to make the connection of the ChatGPT here. Just go ahead and add the API key and the organization ID here, and you're all done. Save that. And now go back to the check availability function. Now you will have to add the time zone here. So my customer time zone is American time zone, New York. So I'm adding the American New York. You should add whatever is your customer requirement and add the time zone hours. American time zone hour is -5 -0500, and add your calendar ID here. Usually it will be your email most of the time, and save that and go to the end of our report and add your webhook here and copy that webhook and save that and go to the Vapi.ai and go to the advanced section and go to the advanced section and scroll down. Scroll down and add that webhook in here in the server URL and add your server URLs here. It can do whatever of your choice. It depends upon you. And publish that and go back to the check and end of all report function. It will be saved and you have to add your phone number. You have to add your Vapi.ai API key here and your phone number here. Vapi.ai key, you can go to the Vapi.ai settings and get the API key here and add that in here. And you can get the phone number from the webhook URL and you're all done here. And you have to add that connection from here. Go to the main calling function here and create a webhook here and add the inbound phone number from you can get that from that video and add your Google Sheets. And here's the old caller filter. If the old caller comes, it will go through there, and if a new caller comes, it will go through the below this section. Now add an HTTP response, make a request, which is very important. If you don't do this, this scenario will not run. You should add this this link here, the dashboard Vapi.ai assistant here instead of Vapi.ai API Vapi. You should add and go back to the Vapi.ai and copy the assistant ID and paste it in here and make the function method get method and add the header name. Add the header name to authorization and in the value you will add the barrier, your API key. You should add your API key here. I'm just typing API key for your guys' convenience and in here and choose the body type to the raw and content type to the JSON and save that. Now after adding your API key, you should run this model. After adding your API key, you should run this module. Okay, we are getting error here. We have to add the webhook here. It's very important. Without that, you cannot run this module. Just add a webhook here like this. Men Saloon. Copy that and save it and go to the Vapi.ai and in the settings. Go to the settings and add your server URL here. It is very important. You should add your server URL here. Without that, your calling scenario will not work. Now add your make.com URL secret key here and you're all set. Now go back and add your Google Sheets account. Now run this module again like this. We are getting error here. Okay, I didn't add my API key here. You should add your API key. Just go there and run this module. It's pretty easy and you will get the data from the output. Just copy that data and paste that in the JSON online editor. Now paste that data in here, format that data and copy that again and go back and paste that in the tools here, select all, then paste that here. And just you have to do that, you have to remove the first name variables from this. Move all the first name variables and save that. Now go back to the Vapi.ai and you need to remove this and asking for the name. You have to remove this because we are going to make this for the old customers. Just remove these two lines
Just edit this and write welcome back. This is Sophie speaking. Remove that with how may I help you? Now you need first name variable here. So just add the first name variable here. Now copy this and paste that in the first message up there and publish. Hit the publish button and go back to the make.com scenario and run this module HTTP response again and copy that data and go to the JSON online data again and paste that there. Copy that data again and go back to the make.com scenario and paste that in here in the old customer and remove the first name variable and replace it with the name in your CRM or in your Google Sheets or in your database, anything. Remove that with the customer name here. And there's another one, remove that with the name. And just now save that. And save the make.com scenario. And go back to the webhook and copy that webhook and go to the Vapi.ai into the Vapi.ai section settings and paste that webhook URL here and set your secret key and save that. Now you are already done. And now another thing I forgot about to discuss about this, go to the Vapi.ai and add your phone number, imported from that video. Go to that video and make a new account in that video. Create a new account, or if you already have, just log in into that account and you will get your account SID, account token, and video phone number. Just copy all these three and paste that into the Vapi.ai, import phone number, and you are all done. Import that number and you are all done. Okay.
Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It was a little bit fast paced, and just make sure to like, share and subscribe and comment which tutorial you want to see. I will go ahead and make the tutorial. Which one get the most likes, I will go ahead and make the tutorial. So comment, like, share and subscribe, and remember, stay hard.